Are you getting new siding on your home? Ask these 5 questions before you choose a service provider. First of all, ask, what are my options? The 2 most popular siding choices are replacement composite, which is made of recycled wood pulp, and vinyl. Next, ask, what are the benefits of vinyl siding? It's easy to install, virtually maintenance-free, and because it doesn't fade, it's long-lasting. Oh, and did we mention it's budget-friendly? You should also ask, what does the project entail? Any rotten wood should be removed, and window and door openings should be sealed. Then the insulation board, siding, and any accessories, like shutters, are installed. Everyone wants to know if there will be a big mess. Yet another benefit of choosing vinyl siding is that it comes in large panels, which minimizes any project-related messes. Finally, you should know if you need to do anything beforehand. Make sure your driveway is clear, and move any outdoor furniture and equipment that could be in the way. Don't forget the interior. Put away anything that could be damaged, including items in the garage and attic. These 5 questions will help you choose a service provider who's on your side.